Hi, I'm Perry Henriksen, owner of R&R Flooring and Furniture in Spencer. We are at Colby Chrysler today. Recently, we just put a brand new 15-year commercial LVT luxury vinyl tile flooring in the showroom for Colby Chrysler. That specific type of flooring is a no wax, so you can go ahead and mop that, and easy to maintain. You can drive cars on that. A great product. Yeah, it was a very unique challenge for us because with the borders in here, Shannon did a nice job. He wanted a few borders, so it was very challenging, and it really turned out very nice. I like to keep things local, and Shannon does a nice job up here. He's got a great sales staff, and service is great. What a nice company.
I'm Shannon from Colby Chrysler Center. We're a Dodge Chrysler Jeep dealer in Colby, Wisconsin, and we chose R&R Flooring to do our floor. As you can see, it turned out really nice. Our floor was in here for about 30 years, and it's time to upgrade. We want to spend our money locally. So we decided to use Perry from R&R Flooring. Did a great job. They came in and did it after hours for us, so we didn't have to disturb our business and our customers. The work turned out fantastic, on time and on budget. As a new car dealer, it's important for us to have a very good looking showroom to display our vehicles properly and for our guests to have a nice floor to walk on. The floor needs to be visually appealing and safe. I'd recommend you go to R&R in Spencer for your flooring. Perry's a very personable person. He'll tell you exactly what you need to hear, answer all your questions. And as far as the time frame of getting the work done, very pleased with that. When he says he's going to be there, he was there, and the job got done in a timely manner.
If you have any flooring projects, think of R&R Flooring and Furniture in Spencer. We do commercial and residential, a lot of options. Also, we do tile showers.